Hi, it's time for Timebox hacking again. Today I want to show you my new basic program. I've shown you in my previous video how to use the IFO basic to control the Timebox. And my new program is called TB Texter. And the main part of this program is the STT speech to text function I'm using here. And for this to work, your device has to be connected to internet. Let's start it now. Then run the program. As always, I have to allow the Bluetooth and connect to the Timebox. Connected. Then it will come to the main menu. As usual, you can support my channel by visiting my shop, have a look. There are a few interesting stuff over there, and this is the main function of my script. Text it, and when I press it, it will start listening to me. Then I will talk to the device. Big Boss 97. Okay, now you can see the program has recognized some options. The first one is the best one, and you can see all the other options. So now I'm going to select the first one, tap on it. I don't know why the Bluetooth has been disconnected. I'm going to run it again. Big Boss 97. Now the same thing again. Okay, this time it works. You can see there is a scrolling text here, and I can tap on it, and it's pause at that point. And I can tap here is the menu is there's a continue option. Then it will continue to scroll, and I can do stop it anytime and go back to main menu. And this is just a small program. I will put it for download, and you can change it to your purpose. That's all about it. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.